We've been alerted to an elite rebel cell operating out of Mos Eisley. They know we're coming. Rebel Alliance forces are helping them evacuate, so expect heavy resistance. We'll secure the settlement and everyone inside, point by point, starting at the junkyard and canteen. Civilian casualties are acceptable. We'll be done there soon.
Moving into the junkyard.
We've captured the cantina.
The Emperor is now personally overseeing the battle.
This sector of the spaceport is secure. The rebels are retreating deeper into the settlement. Maintain fire. Maintain pursuit. The rebels are trying to block us from the docks. That's where they're running to. Very well. We'll seize their rally points at the auction house and bazaar, then go for the kill.
Command sent us an ally, now arriving. Grenade out with the bazaar!
Subduing the bazaar! Lights is a mess!
Stay ready and follow procedure.
Unidentified rebel commander on site! Auction house is being secured!
We'll abandon the site. should fall shortly. Stay on it.
We're inside the bazaar. Resistance nominal. Inside the bazaar. Subduing the rebels.
We have been joined by Lord Vader.
Auction house secure. The rebels will cluster at the bazaar. Go.
Still active. Moving to secure the bazaar. An enemy commander is on site.
We are now securing the bazaar.
Grenade out in the bazaar. Taking control. We're in the bazaar. Entering the bazaar. Preparing to capture. Watch for shrapnel.
Rebel commander on the ground.
I want reinforcements in the bazaar. We're too close to lose it now. Good. We have a direct line to the docks where the rebels are evacuating. Annihilate all enemies close by and advance. The rebels are boarding U-wing transports. I want those transports rigged for detonation. Let's ground the enemy and be done with this dust ball.
I got you covered. Counting down.
You thought I'd be cut off.
Throwing grenade.
Destruction imminent.
The Emperor.
All transports destroyed. The survivors are scattering, but they have nowhere to run. Mos Eisley and Tatooine pose no threat.